Welcome everybody, Niketa here, and today I am sharing with you my workout. I don't have that strength and vitality, I'm bigger, that's why I'm here. So welcome everybody, Niketa here, and today I'm sharing with you my workout. Yeah, sharing with you my workout. So let's go. Keep going. I try to do this. I try to work out 4 days a week, and for 3 of the 4 days I'm on the road. So I run as well as I climb a hill. Either one of those I do twice a week, and the other I'll do one. So this is my 3rd workout for the week. So let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Wow, good. And I'll see you in the next one.